So today we'll be installing a short shifter on the Subaru. I bought the Cartboy short shifter. I only bought the short shifter itself, but I suggest getting the whole bundle with the bearings and stuff, because I think it's a lot better in general, because like switching out new bearings is always better than using the same old ones. First thing you want to do is take off the center console where the short shifter is. Damn, bro, I don't know why it's taking so long. This is a weird ass shift now. I've never seen a shift now need a fucking nut to hold it, bro. There you go. I should be able to take it down now. There you go. Okay. I got cardboard short shifter, bro. Fuses, what is it called? Oh, I think these are old pieces of mine that I just threw in here. Same with the Band-Aid, NRG, and Dave Sachin. I think these are just tiny. I think I have to use brake grease for this. I'm not too sure. I don't have no other grease. So. Yeah. Man, damn, that shit was gross looking. All that dirt. Alright, hold on. Let me unplug this real quick. Oh, I couldn't take it off because like this thing, and I don't see no clip on this side, so I'm gonna just work like this on the side. And make sure it's on neutral. Yeah, I overthink about this type of stuff. Let's see. You know what? I guess I'm just gas drop. Fucking worked apparently. I should probably, yeah. So it's kind of hard to film me taking off the old shifter, but this is it right here. What I did was just, once I took off the bearings from here, I just put it on the side and then twisted it this way and then pulled it out that way. And make sure when you're putting in the new one, you put in like lube right here so it's a lot easier, and you just push it in and you reinstall the bearings from this part and then tighten it up. I wish I was a lefty, bro. Well, it's on pretty much. It does feel a little bit shorter. Doesn't move as much either, so I'm about to put everything back. Why do I feel like it didn't clap on? What do you want, bro? Get away. Doing something. I feel like it clamped. Yeah, it did clap. There you go. God damn, look how long this shit is, bro. I need a new one. Unless I take it out. I think this thing clamps on correctly. I don't know. Anyways, this shit about to be looked down here, bro. It's gross. Look like a little choke, man. Anyways, I also have a new shifter for this one. So this is the old one right here. Excuse the mess, but this is the one that I came with. I got the stock one back there somewhere, but this is the one that I bought it with. But this is the one I got for it. Carbon fiber with red HKS. There I got the red paddle and the red extension. But I think it's this one right here. I kind of don't like that. It's not metal, but it's cool. It's cool. I don't think this has any. It does have some. I think it fit. Yeah. So Damn, I think that's the farthest it's gonna go down. Nah, it should go down with this. Yeah, it's going down. Oh, I think that's the farthest. Actually, look at that. Doesn't wiggle as much, bro. Move the wiggle. So yeah, that's the farthest it's going. Let me see. Yeah, it's way shorter, bro. I know I didn't do it before and after, but yeah, it's cool. It's not bad, it's not bad. But yeah, that's all, folks.